Here in Central Florida, we know our citrus. And what better way to enjoy that citrus than by devouring these sugary little jewels packed with fresh flavor.
Hi, I'm Laura Madrell with Visit Central Florida. Whether you're looking for a sweet tooth fix or a tasty Central Florida souvenir, Davidson of Dundee is a local landmark you need to add to your itinerary. The reason being is that this jelly factory on Highway 27 has been cooking up jellies and candies the old-fashioned way ever since opening their doors in 1967.
The person who knows firsthand about how things are done around here is President and son of Davidson of Dundee founder, Tom Davidson.
This was started by my parents in 1967. My father grew up in Winter Haven, and after World War II, he was a pilot in the Navy. His last job before coming here was in St. Louis for Sunline Candy Company, and my father and a couple other people developed sweet tarts. So that went real well, and as the company was becoming bigger and bigger, Nestle Chocolate purchased the company. So it might be a good time to come back home and start my own candy factory, so that's what he did.
Thus, the citrus delicacies were born. Fresh squeezed orange juice, sugar cane from the Florida Everglades, and a few secret ingredients are all cooked together in an old-fashioned copper kettle. When the mixture reaches 224 degrees, it's poured out onto a marble slab to cool. After resting for 24 hours, the jelly candy is sliced into bite-sized morsels. And tossed into sugar all by hand. The next step is for the candies to rest before being carefully packaged by hand. But there's more than just candy at Davidson of Dundee.
Later we added the marmalade. So we got the marmalade factory with the orange marmalade, and we do over 100 varieties down there. Honeybill marmalade, guava jelly, jalapeno, key lime, so many things. A marmalade is we're using the peel of the citrus. So an orange marmalade is going to have orange juice as well as the orange peel. And of course the orange peel is not as super sweet as the inside of the orange, so you get almost like maybe like a sweetness and a tartness to it, so it's really, really tasty. And it gives a good mouthfeel. If you have jelly, that's going to be strictly the juice, so no peel in it. It'll be almost clear, you can hold it up and see through it just about. And the orange butter is going to be the orange peel that's finely chopped into little tiny pieces.
I think it's the nostalgia I love most about Davidson of Dundee. As a Central Florida native, I cherish the memories of my father bringing me here as a child, just like his grandmother used to bring him.
Whether you're stuffing your face with the free samples or taking the free factory tour, Davidson of Dundee has been a staple, family-friendly attraction for generations. Its ideal location in between Legoland Florida Resort and Bok Tower Gardens makes it a fun and tasty escape from the theme park crowds.
So the next time you're visiting Central Florida's amazing theme parks and attractions, take a moment to step back in time and savor the taste and charm of old Florida. You'll find it here at Davidson of Dundee.